Hello guys, welcome to Visionaries Auto. Today I want to share with you some of the most unique designs we have in the Tesla industry right now. We have the Cybertruck and as well as the Yoke steering wheel. Now when you hear of the Cybertruck, you're thinking of something more indestructible given the outer appearance of it, and as well as what? The Yoke steering wheel. Now this is a steering wheel that is mostly found in Formula 1 racing cars, but currently it's not available for your Model S and your Model X. Now, however, with the Model X price sitting currently at about 66,000 USD and the S at about 63,000 USD. Now, that's a little bit out of range for now. And now, for those of you who are really fascinated about this unique steering wheel, that is where the Yoke steering wheel comes in, which is what I'll be showing you today. And this is what it looks like. It's quite affordable. You can now experience a more unique driving experience while still staying within budget. In the upcoming review, we'll be diving into the functionality as well as the practicality of this particular steering wheel and how much it's going to improve your driving experience. So make sure you stay tuned as we bring to you the most comprehensive review that you've ever seen out there. Stay tuned. Hello there. So in case you're wondering what we have in these boxes, right here we have the head-up display and the unique Yoke steering wheel right here. So for a better comparison, we're going to have to bring the Tesla Model Y over so we can see what this one looks like with the original steering. So hey man, let's go. Thanks. So let's go. Okay, now let's have a closer look at the normal steering wheel we have here and the Yoke steering wheel over here. So when you take a closer look at this, it has the unique Tesla logo right there, as well as the 2 scrolls button on the side. So when we have to install this, we're going to have to take out this part and fit it right here, which is now going to give you a unique driving experience, coupled with the head-on display, which is going to go right here. So the unique one has this, which interferes with you seeing what we have here, but then with what we have right here, you can as well see clearly without having to look over right there. So let's get into work. Install this and you're going to check it out for yourself. And there we have it guys, the Yoke steering wheel like we talked about earlier, and coupled with the head-on display over here. So now this head-on display is an 8.9 inches coupled with the 720 pixel display, and guys, as I'm talking to you, this display screen is working on the Linux operating system, which means it does support your CarPlay, as well as you can forward your navigations from your phone down here and easily just use it all the way. This looks really good and it integrates well with the Yoke steering wheel, given the arc over here. You don't even have to lean over while seeing. You just sit still and then you look, and then you're just gonna have a nice driving experience. So in the meantime, enough with the talking, let's get into action.
Follow me for a ride and get the experience. So So guys, I'm gonna start with this display screen. As you can see, this one is an intelligent one. You can actually connect your CarPlay, and it works hand in glove with this Yoke steering, because as you can see, as the Yoke steering is here, it doesn't lock the view of the screen, and then you can do like literally anything on this screen. It's a multi-functional. Talk about this Yoke steering. It's a bit different from what we have like in the Teslas or models. People actually use the traditional one, so I think like just the feeling of this one is really nice. And then when we are talking in terms of technology and aesthetics, I would choose the Yoke steering. But not only is it good, it also comes with some shortcomings, which is I, for one, when I'm driving, I usually hold the top part when I want to turn right. So that's one of the difficulties, but not really much of a big problem. It doesn't really affect your driving. So guys, you tell me in the comment section, which one would you prefer, the traditional one, or are you gonna keep up with the technology? Let me know in the comment section.